Now we will discuss about the second one method of calculation of arithmetic mean in case of the frequency distribution series. In this method also there are some steps to be taken in order to calculate the mean. What are that? Simply the first major one step in frequency distribution series, in case of every method, we just have to find out firstly the mid value of the class interval, which will be denoted by M. After that, the similar step of the discrete series, deviations will be find out by from the assumed mean. It means D will be there. Then the third step, D will be multiplied by the F frequency. Sum of FD will be calculated. Then sum of FD will be divided by the sum of F. It means the simple things are there. We just have to use the formula of calculating mean is that sum of mean is equal to A, where A is assumed mean. Then FD, F is frequency, D is deviation. It means X minus assumed mean. And here is the X is used as mid value minus assumed mean. The simple process will be taken in order to calculate. This one is the example of the the assumed mean method. Say this, the table is given and the number of students are given. The first one, firstly we will have to calculate the mid value of the series. The first step, mid value of the series, 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. Then the frequency is there. After that, what will you do? From the mid value, we will assume the mean. Let us assume that 25 as a mean. Then deviations will be find out. 5 minus 25, 15 minus 25, 25 minus 25, 35 minus 25 and 45 minus 25. These are the deviations. After that, multiply the F by D. 20 into minus 20, 24 into 10, 40 into 0, 36 into 10, 20 into 20, and sum of FD is equal to 120 and sum of F is equal to 140. So what will be our formula? Mean is equal to A is 25, sum of FD is 120 divided by sum of F is 140. The answer will be 25.86. As like similar in case of calculation of arithmetic mean with the help of the direct method. Mean will be similar in each and every case. Either you are calculating the mean with the help of direct method, shortcut method, or step deviation method. So this was the formula, or this was the process to calculate the arithmetic mean in case of the assumed mean method for the frequency distribution series.